Young children love to show off their physical prowess. I have a 15-month-old great niece who is just a little ball of constant movement, and we egg her on by being so delighted by it. What parents may not realize is that the antics kids use to get attention are often building blocks for developing attention. All the running and jumping and climbing and doing handstands and rolling down the hills that kids love to do when they have the time and space to do it play a tremendously important role in the development of their self-control and attention. In his book, A User's Guide to the Brain, John Ratey, MD, says that movement is crucial to every other brain function, including memory, emotion, language, and learning. Learning begins with movement. Babies begin to learn about themselves and their environment through movement. Visual skills are developed through movement. Understanding left and right and sense of balance and control is developed first through movement. Movement helps energize and organize the brain. So get everybody in the family moving this summer.